In hot water. Facing serious trouble or being in a problematic situation. In hot water. Draw the line. To establish a clear boundary or stopping point in behavior or actions. Draw the line. On cloud nine. Being in a state of extreme joy and happiness. On cloud nine. See eye to eye. Sharing the same opinion and mutual agreement. See eye to eye. For crying out loud. To express exasperation in response to frustrating or annoying situations. For crying out loud. Break a leg. To wish good luck to someone, mainly before they perform. Break a leg. Grumpy pants. It humorously describes someone visibly cranky and irritable. Grumpy pants. Off the hook. Escaping a burdensome task or being relieved from a problematic situation. Off the hook. Sit tight. To stay in place and be patient, not taking any action or making any changes. Sit tight. Fifth wheel. A person or object that doesn't fit in, feels unneeded, and is not useful. Fifth wheel.